I started with the benchmark Six Sigma somewhere in 2005 with my green belt certification program, and then after 1 year I had the black belt program. That was the changing phase in the industry I belong to. Changing phase in the sense the power industry. We are primarily in the power industry, and the business was booming. So it calls for that we improve our processes to get this pie of the share to our business. So we went for all these improvement projects, and because we are in a business which is make to order type, not a mass production, so we primarily started with the lean concept, and then went into the Six Sigma projects, because as you know that for the lean, first you have to take out your wastages, go to the optimum processes, and then finally go to the fine tuning of reduce your variability with Six Sigma concept. So we really started this projects somewhere in end of 2007, and the journey is still going on. I can tell you 2-3 major benefits. We have generated with the same, or maybe you can say with minimum addition of resources to a capacity up to 50% to our capacities. Like if we're producing X, so now we are producing X into 1.5 with the same resources. This is one thing. Second thing is we have reduced our inventories like anything, the work in progress, as far as raw materials also. In our type of industry, since I told you that it is make to order and it is a capital goods manufacturing, so there the lead times are very high. We have to build the machines, so it takes 7 to 8 months to build one machine. So there the inventories are a big thing, and we were running at the start of 2000, or maybe in the past also, where inventories are on around 155 days. And as of now, we are somewhere around 90 to 95 days. So that's a great reduction, almost 50%, more than 50% we have reduced our inventories. I'll tell you another big thing, which is directly a customer satisfaction. We have our on time deliveries now 100% since last 1 year. And in terms of monetary benefit, I not benefit, but a customer satisfaction, I just give you one index. 3 years back, because we are in the capital goods manufacturing, so every order comes with a LD penalty. It is called liquidated damage, or sometimes you can call it late delivery penalties, which is to the tune of 0.5% per week delay to a maximum 5% of the order value, which goes in few lakhs of rupees. When we started this project, or 3 years back, in the whole year, I'll just give the figure directly. We paid almost 9.5 lakhs of LD penalties in the whole year, and to the business of, you can say, 40-45 crores. The next year, after our implementation of these 4-5 projects, I can tell you later on what the projects were, we brought it down to 2.4 lakhs in the next year. And please mention that the business is also growing. From 45 crores, we went to 76 or something crores, our turnover. The next year, the last year which we closed, of course we closed in September actually. September 2009, the liquidity penalty which we paid was 20,000 rupees on the turn of 104 crores. In terms of, I say, percentage of on-time deliveries, like I said, now we are hitting 100% continuously. Earlier it was in the tune of 70 to 75% on-time deliveries. So that is a big plus. We started with the lean tools mainly because, like I said, first you have to see your the processes. You go for the waste reductions, and then go for the optimizations with the Six Sigma tools. So we use the lean tools, like everywhere it starts with the elimination of the physical waste, which is normally a tool is a 5S. So first project is you start with the 5S. You'll not believe, in half an hour stopping everything in the company, we did this 5X exercise, or you can say the first test only, just identify the waste. we removed 5 truckloads of waste from our company. Within half an hour, we identify 5 truckloads. That was the first thing. That gives a first impact, a visibility to the people, that what is the waste in the system. Then we go on the software part of the process. The wastage is like, we had a complete revamp of our planning system. We went on the new planning system. The concept of Toyota production system, or lean, you can say, we picked up the Haizunka, where this is called level loading. We started implementing the sequence manager system on our shop floor, just to give the visibility. So another tool which is very important tool is the visibility. In any manufacturing process, especially in the manufacturing or in any other process or business, the product or service often moves faster than the information. It is a myth actually. We thought that, or we think that the information is flowing faster than the product or material or the service flows, but it is the other way around. The challenge is to match these two. If you take this, which are all Six Sigma experts or the seminars, they take the example of Bombay Dabbe Wala. If you ask me, what is their terminology using? They have not used DMAC at all, but they have matched me. If I analyze it, they have matched their information flow and their product flow exactly through the visibility. There is no paper, there is no written thing. This is all visibility. This is a challenge. And the lean production or lean systems, they have this visibility things on the shop floor or in any process, that the information is flowing with the material. And that's what which has given us the maximum benefits on our shop floor. Then we used another tools like transportation system, lean transportation system, everything on the wheels, try to be on the shop floor. Then we have gone on the basic concept of lean production system, which is called the one-piece flow or single piece flow. The reducing your batch size. Of course, the challenge is now then when you go for reducing your batch size, then you have to go for other projects like the SMED. So we have gone on SMEDs. So like that, we have used all these tools and come over here. Now, in our next phase or the current phase which we are going on, we are working the same tools now on the information flow, like on the office area. So now we are working on the projects which is called office lean. Earlier it was lean manufacturing, now it's lean office. So there we are using the tools, we have used there in the manufacturing also, in operations also, but exclusively in the office area, which is very important, we are using the tools called value stream mapping, which is a very powerful tool. So we have mapped all our processes. The project is currently going on now. We are constructing our future value stream maps, taking all the wastages, identifying them, and then going to the future VSM. So these are the few tools or the things which we have used. Different business, different scenarios, they have different set of the environments in-house or the market outside. So I will look at certain things from my perspective, or you will say within my environment, but somebody is putting up something on the forum from his perspective. So sometimes it's give a totally different, which is called a paradigm shift. So you just can take it from there, oh, you can do it like this also. So that way it helps, because there are people from different backgrounds, different type of industry, different type of products, different type of services. So all they come together there, they put up their point of view to a certain subject, and it helps.
How often do you visit the forum?
Almost every day.
Almost every day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially the fraternity.
Okay.
I mean, if you start something checking on the open forum, then you will be bombarded with so much of information, and you probably need a lot of time for that. But definitely on the fraternity, I am a regular visitor there and keep on getting. And
so can you share with us any specific topic that you really enjoyed on the forum, on the fraternity forum?
One is that the recent one is the Mumbai Dambawala example that I think probably VK has put up that question, that is whether it is really a case of Six Sigma implementation or something like that. That was really interesting, and in fact it's still going on. Passage for benchmark, you can say colleagues or whatever it is. So you are holding a good hand. Benchmark Six Sigma is a professional in their approach for all these seminars, whatever the tools and trainings they are providing. They are thoroughly professionals, and Yeah, just hold their hand and they will take you through.